Do you want him to live?
He needs a ball.
Wait. He just passed out. One down. 5 to go.
On the edge of civilization, every man must come armed
I'm willing to do just about anything.
and ready to fight.
Make no mistake, blood will be spilled.
From the